Hi, my name is Devki, and I'm the morning jock with 93.5 Red FM. I've been with radio for almost 18 years, and today is an extreme privilege that I get to speak to you and share my own understanding of this medium of past 18 years. I was fresh out of college when I joined radio, and to be very frank, I was extremely overconfident about being part of radio because I was already in performing arts. I was an actor. And so I used to think that, what is a big deal in being a jock? While you're already in Abhinaya, while you're using your body language, your costumes, your makeup, your dialogues are rehearsed, and you have co-actors, and there is a setting, and you suddenly feel like radio is going to, only use one talent of yours, and which is just going to be Vachikam. And so I was very overconfident when I started doing radio. There was an RJ Hunt, and I participated in it, and about 8,000 people from my city were part of it. I ended up winning it, but when I actually went on air, which is called on radio, and I started talking, I sounded very artificial. And that's when it made me realize that there is no light, there is no set, there is no costume, there is no makeup, there are no co-artists, there is no live audience in terms of you can't see their expressions, you can't gauge it, and you still have to create the same impact that you could with radio. And that's when I felt that, I can't make buffoonery, I can't do slapstick, I can't do mimicry. How will I make people laugh? And that's when my guru in radio told me that, do you think you can make people cry? So I said, well, I can try. So he said, do that. And that kind of stayed with me for a long time, because I realized that, a lot of us, while we are only thinking of using this medium for entertainment, forget that the best connect with people is not only by making them laugh, is also telling them that we understand your pain, the empathy that you have in your voice or in the subjects that you choose, the things that matter to people in daily lives, but even within the family or within a couple, there are no conversations about this. When a jock starts doing those conversations, which are difficult to have but really matter to you, that's when you start having an impact. And I think that's what has helped me the most during my morning show. My sense of humor, especially when I talk to other people, I come out best when I'm talking to somebody else. So when there is another person to crack joke with, I think that has made me very on the edge generally with my listeners. We laugh together. और जिसकी बजा रहे हो जो बजा रहा है, दोनों को मजा आना चाहिए. That is बजाते रहो. That has stayed in my mind for a long time. The surprise element of radio is going to keep it alive all the time. I think the moment we will start being predictable, I think that's when we will lose our element that we have. The more surprising, the more unpredictable, the more novel we are going to be, the more we are going to experiment with our medium and push the envelope, push the glass ceiling. I think we will sound and be more relevant and continue to be that habit which is indisputably unmatchable. I'm so glad it's been 18 years and I am people's habit. And even when I was representing India in Malta with 112 countries as India's best RJ, the thing that I felt was this, that we have so many emotions. Being in India, we have so many expressions where entire world is trying to be globally, universally similar. Less smile, less emote, less react. I think India has Navarasa, and we need to make the most of it using any medium that we have. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bajate raho.